Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is LaTrance. I am a hair and nutrition specialist featured in Moments magazine. I hope you are ready for this video today because I'm going to be sharing with you what I buy for natural hair and skin. I'm slipping skin in there, even though this is a hair video, I'm going to slip skin in there as well because people ask me, what do you do? Throw the magic wand because my skin is so beautiful. And I want to share some of the things that I use. I truly believe that God and earth has given us everything that we need to support our bodies naturally. From my studies, all these decades as being a hair and nutrition specialist and my own experience, I've seen how powerful natural ingredients can be for our hair and our skin. And so today is going to be like a part one mini series. And I'll show you the best natural ingredients to make your own soothing salves, your hair, your mask, and your exfoliating body scrubs for your body. So I'm not going to start the recipes today. I'm not going to get in that today. Like I said, it's a part one mini series. I just want to show you these products so you can use and how simple and how safe and effective they are. Many people ask me, what products do I use? What products do I recommend for natural hair and skin? So I want to share some of that with you today. So let's get started right into the video. And I want to share the first thing with an oil. And I love sharing these products with you guys because natural products are the best in the world. I will always give God credit to everything that He has created to help us heal, to help us nourish our bodies. That's where it's at. So let's get started. The first one I'm going to start with today is the coconut oil. And I use organic pretty much everything, y'all. I'll give my body the best of the best that I can find for my body. And you should do the same thing. Our bodies, God gave that to us to take care of. We are the temple of the Holy Spirit. And we need to take care of our bodies in order to have a longevity, a long life, to be healthy and to be here for our families and just to feel good. But today, I'm not really talking about all the body things, but I am going to talk about the hair and the skin. But you want to start with very good oils. And like I say, the organic coconut oil is one of my favorites for DIY moisturizers, hair masks. Coconut oil is going to nourish the hair and the skin. Don't let nobody ever tell you that this stuff does not nourish the hair and the skin. Now, I do want to say this, that everybody's hair is not the same. And some people's hair may not like coconut oil. My hair loves coconut oil, olive oil. My hair loves anything natural. So you want to give it a try and see if your hair likes it. But don't let people tell you that coconut oil doesn't work for your hair because it didn't work for theirs. It may work for yours. But like I said, in all of my years of study, coconut oil is going to be the best moisturizer for the hair and for the skin. So you want to pick some of that up. You may already have it at home. And if you do, that will be great to put in these masks and these skincare products which is 100% natural. The next thing I'm going to tell you is you want to use things to exfoliate your skin that's very gentle on the skin, but it will definitely effectively remove dead skin from your body. And we can even exfoliate with sugar, and we can also use a mask to put it in your hair. I'm definitely going to show you how to do that. I don't know if somebody's ever told you that or not, but it's the truth. Brown sugar is very gentle exfoliating for glowing skin. If you want to glowy skin is where it starts. It's definitely the foundation for healthy, glowy skin. We have to get all those dead skin cells off of our skins because the skin cells turn over. I'm not sure if I'm exactly right or if I can remember this, but there's so many days that our skin cells turn over. Our liver, all these things produce new cells, and skin will definitely be very beautiful and glowy if you use things to exfoliate it. Now, the sugar, and you want to use brown sugar. Do not use white granulated sugar. It's so harsh on your skin. It's going to scratch it. It's going to scrape it. It's going to irritate your skin because it's so rough. The granules are very, very rough. So brown sugar is going to be the best. You want to use like an exfoliator scrub. Now, I have a glove here, and it is very, very natural. On one side, it's going to scrub and exfoliate your skin, and on the other side, it has this very smooth, soft on this side, and that's definitely going to help to soften and exfoliate your skin and make it very smooth. So, but you can use your hands as well. You don't have to use these, but it will definitely help you distribute the exfoliating mask and scrubs for your skin, and this will help definitely take it off. So you want to use your sugar for that. And like I said, okay, the next thing, y'all, I don't know if you've ever heard of this, but it's hydrolyzed protein. And hydrolyzed protein is going to support strong hair. Like I said, and don't feel like you're going to get lost. And I'm going to definitely show you how to use all these things in part 2. So you want to make sure you are subscribed to my channel to follow along so you do not miss a notification when I put this video out. But hydrolyzed protein is one of the best proteins that you would ever use for your hair. Like I said, it's going to support strong, healthy hair. This is the one that I get. I ordered from Amazon. I make sure I order it from reputable sellers on Amazon. If you can go to your local, I guess, health food store, they might carry this. But you want to get some hydrolyzed protein, and it's definitely going to support your hair strands. Our hair is made up of pure protein. The meats we eat, really good healthy meats like organic meats, grass-fed meats, that's going to support our hair because it has a lot of protein in it. But this one is definitely going to give you a boost to make your hair strong. And let me tell you, it's definitely very effective. And like I said, I'm definitely going to show you how to make that in your hair mask. So just stick with me on that. Another thing that you want to definitely have in your natural DIY for your skin and your hair both is going to be your vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil is an antioxidant, and it's going to help maintain healthy hair, healthy skin. One of the best oils you will ever use for your hair. And like I said, we want to put a few drops of this in our hair mask and in our skin scrubs, and it's going to nourish the body so well, y'all. So good, so natural, and so effective. Now, the next thing on my list is going to be beeswax. When you are making your creams, your DIY creams, you want to use beeswax. Beeswax is so natural, and it's going to help harden your salves for the body. It's going to help harden your lip balms, and it's so natural for the body. And I will definitely show you how to use that. Beeswax is definitely going to be a protective barrier that locks in moisture when you put this in your lip balms, in your hair, well, in your lip balms. I know you're gonna put in your lip balms and in your skin salves as well. I'm sorry. So you definitely want to get beeswax, because beeswax is a protective barrier, like I said, and it's going to give you so much moisture. Now, the next thing is going to be the colloidal oatmeal powder. And this stuff right here If you are dealing with eczema, any kind of skin issues, you want to get oatmeal soak. It feeds your skin with 100% oat. It's a powder, it's oatmeal that has been grounded up very fine into a powder. And this stuff, y'all, soothes irritated skin. It's gentle for sensitive skin areas as well. And I'm definitely going to show you how to make that one in your skin salve, especially for eczema. Because people ask me, do I have a remedy that's going to help eczema? So I do. And like I said, this is really, really a good one. I don't know if y'all can see that one or not, but I hope my camera zooms in on it or not. But you can pick any brand that you want. And I just love this brand right here. So it's going to be great for that. All of these organic things, y'all, are very simple and they are safe. And let me repeat that. These organic products I showed you are very simple and they are very safe. You can choose the best ones for your body. Like I said, any brand that you want to get, you can have some of these things on hand when I come back with part 2 to make the video. That way you can have everything ready because the recipes are going to be so simple and so effective. And it's definitely going to help you with your skin and your hair. These are God's products, y'all. And they are made to nourish and heal our skin and hair naturally. That's what he put it there for. He put all that stuff. When he created us on this earth, he made sure that we had our food. He made sure that we had all the herbs and stuff to heal us when we get when we get ill or whatever. There is products out there that he has to take care of that. And there's things that we can do to live a longer life, have a healthier body, have beautiful, healthy hair and everything. So in part 2, I'm going to show you how to transform all of these into my secret, is what I call it, for eczema salves, like I said, because that's been highly requested, and body scrub recipes for your hair and your skin. All natural, all gentle, all effective. Next product on my list is an oil, and that is definitely going to be the extra virgin olive oil. I know that you've heard of this 11,000 times about extra virgin olive oil, but I'm telling you, it's backed by science that extra virgin olive oil is one of the best oils that you can use for your body. They say it's good for the heart. They say it's good for our skin, and which I know is good for the skin because this is the number one product that I use for my skin. And if you didn't know it, it comes from a blessed tree. Check it out, look it up in the Bible, do your research and study how the women, especially the Egyptian women in the Bible, use olive oil as one of their beauty products. Just simple, plain extra olive oil, y'all. There's so many ways that we can use extra virgin olive oil, and it is so healthy and beneficial to the skin, especially the hair. It's going to double moisturize your hair. It's going to give it so much moisture, and it's going to lock in all that moisture, especially when you are using things like aloe vera gel. And you put that on, and it's going to seal in all that moisture. So extra virgin olive oil is highly recommended that you use that for your moisturizer and for your hair. And like I said, I'm going to show you my secret on how to use those. Now, for your skin, you want to make sure before you exfoliate and do all that, you do your skin routine, you taking your showers, you're cleansing your body. Now, I use African soap, black African soap. And this is some of the best soap that you can use, especially if you have sensitive skin, if you have eczema, any kind of skin issues like this. The black African soap is going to not dry your skin out. Now, it can be a little irritating if you have areas on your skin that is broken. And so you don't want to use that if your skin, especially after shaving. I don't normally use my black African soap after shaving, but I keep mine. You want to keep it dry if you decide to use this. And I keep it in like a little soap sash. Has the little mesh bag. It has the holes in it. It's going to keep your soap very dry. And they are so cute, y'all. Look at the little bag. It's so adorable. I have another one here that I haven't even used. And I put my soaps in there and they stay very dry and everything. When I'm not using my black African soap, I'll cut a lot of it down and I'll put it in wax paper and wrap it up and put it in a Ziploc bag. That will help keep your soaps very protected and dry and everything as well. You don't want to leave it in the shower like you do your body washes or any other kind of soap. Black African soap will get really soggy. It'll just disintegrate, disappear in the thin air. So you want to keep it definitely protected. So that's what I use to help exfoliate my skin as well. It takes really good care of my skin. I love it. And when I was using other brands of soaps and stuff that wasn't natural, before I started using natural things, my face would be so dry and tight that I could, if I smiled, I would have white all around my mouth, especially in my T-zone, because I'm very dry in my T-zone area, but I do have oily skin. So if you decide you want to try African soap, it's so good for the skin. And the last thing I wanted to share with you on this is the things that I keep all of my scrubs and my salves and things in, as I use glass jars, y'all. These do not, you don't have to worry about no BP, no plastic, no nothing. If you don't know me, you're going to find out quickly that I use a lot of putting all of my products in glass jars. They keep your stuff very safe. You don't have to worry about any, like I said, any plastic, chemicals, or anything get into your product. So you want to get you some glass containers, and I use this one, and I use mason jars. Containers and mason jars is some of my favorites to use for my products. And you definitely want to do that to keep all your scrubs and stuff in it, and they look so pretty when you keep them in your jars and stuff. So if you love natural hair and skin, I want you to hit that button, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss part 2. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.